Hi, and welcome to the Get Tech Smart podcast. I'm your host, Jason James. And in this episode, we'll be talking about the top 10 technology trends that are expected to shape the world in 2023. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most important technology trends of our time. AI is already being used in a wide variety of ways, from self-driving cars to helping doctors diagnose diseases. And in 2023, we can expect to see AI become more widespread and powerful. For example, an AI-powered software will be used to automate tasks that are currently done by humans. And this is actually already happening with the invention of ChatGPT and OpenAI's API. Well, next up, we have virtual reality. Virtual reality is another technology trend that's expected to have a major impact in 2023. VR allows users to experience a simulated environment, which can be used for a variety of purposes, such as gaming, education, and training. And in 2023, we can expect to see VR become more affordable and accessible. Well, let's talk about augmented reality, or AR. Well, AR is similar to VR, but it overlays computer-generated images onto the real world. AR is already being widely used for things such as gaming and in navigation apps. Another example of AR could be used to help us find our way around a new city or learn about history in a building. Or if you're in a museum and this is already happening, you can go ahead and use VR to tell you all about the different exhibits in the museum. Well, let's talk about Internet of Things, or IoT. Well, IoT is a network of physical objects that connect to the internet. These objects can collect and share data, which can be used to improve our lives in a variety of ways. I happen to know a startup that is working on a sprinkler system, IoT system, for farmers in Central California and beyond. Well, just think about it like this. If you're a farmer and you have lots of acreage, you don't actually know where a water leak may be. You just are losing a lot of water. That's not right. IoT system will be able to tell the farmers exactly where that leak is, so they can go out and fix that leak in no time without losing so much water. Because water's precious. We don't have a finite amount of that. So let's take good care of it. Another example of IoT-enabled devices could be like appliances, could be used to save energy, or IoT wearables. You have a shirt that's an IoT wearable telling you the temperature where you're at, or, sky's the limit. But let's talk about the next up thing, which is blockchain. And blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that's used to record transactions. Blockchain is secure and transparent, which makes it ideal for a variety of applications, such as, like I said, financial transactions and supply chain management. And in 2023, we can expect to see blockchain become more widely adopted as it's used to improve the efficiency and security of our systems. Well, let's talk about quantum computing. Quantum computing is a new type of computing that uses the power of quantum mechanics to perform calculations that are impossible for traditional computers. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. And in 2023, we can expect to see quantum computing become more mainstream, solve problems that were previously thought to be impossible, such as the innovation of 5G. 5G technology is the next generation of cellular network technology. 5G is faster and more reliable than 4G, which allows for new applications such as self-driving cars. In 2023, we can expect 5G to become more widespread as it is deployed to more and more countries. That leads me to have to talk about cybersecurity, because cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems and networks from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. And cybersecurity is becoming increasingly more important as our world becomes more digital. And in 2023, we can expect to see more cyber attacks as hackers become more sophisticated with all of the new AI technologies out there. And therefore, it's important to take the steps to protect our systems and networks from the attacks. Well, let's talk about sustainable tech. Sustainable tech is technology that is designed to be environmentally friendly. Sustainable tech can help us to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and protect the environment. These are just a few of the technology trends that are expected to shape the world in 2023. It sure is an exciting time to be alive as we're on the cusp of a technology revolution. It'll be interesting to see how these technology trends develop and how they impact our lives. We're looking forward to diving deeper into these innovative technologies in future Get Tech Smart podcasts. So be sure to subscribe. And thanks for listening. I'm your host, Jason James. Be sure to share this podcast with your friends so they can get tech smart as well. We'll see you on the next episode.